One of the questions that we're frequently asked is, what is the difference between our three levels of service: our bronze, our silver, and our gold? The bronze level of care is when one of our clients doesn't really need any hands-on assistance. They're able to stand up and sit down, to walk, to reach for things all on their own, to get in and out of the shower. But what they do need assistance with are basically navigating the routine of their day and the activities of their day. It's usually for those who have memory impairment issues, who are blind, or who are deaf. And along with just daily assistance with the routine of their day, medical escorting, or just driving places, they also just need a good companion and advocate for them. Our second level of care, or our silver level of care, are for our clients that do need hands-on assistance because they have physical limitations. Our caregivers assist them in ambulating safely, getting in and out of a shower and in and out of a car, and driving them places. All of those kinds of skills that are required to be able to often just provide an assist, a side assist as known in the industry, for our clients. And then our last level of care, our third level, or our gold level of care, definitely requires a higher degree of skill from our caregiving staff. We usually use CNAs or HHAs for this. These are for our clients who are recuperating from some surgery, or are on hospice care, or it could be short-term or long-term at this level of care. But there is definitely more skill involved with medication management, bed care, where they need to do hands-on changing the linen of a bed while the person is in it, or changing the person while they're in the bed. All of those things that do require a higher degree of skill. And that is our third level of care. So these levels, just so you know, they're definitely interchangeable, and sometimes a client may start at one level and progress to another level for a short period of time or ongoingly. So to help you to determine what kind of assistance your loved one or yourself may need, please go to one of our downloadable PDFs, and the one that's called Assessing Your Needs, and that will help you to determine what level of care you will need.